Smile.
Smile.
Laugh.
Laugh.
They laughed heartily at the comedy. Smirk.
Smirk. He gave a smirk of satisfaction.
Grinning.
Grinning.
He's grinning warmly and sincerely.
He's grinning warmly and sincerely.
Cry.
Cry.
Wail.
Wail.
The baby is wailing during the bath. Weep.
Weep. The girl is weeping while talking to her younger sibling.
Sob.
Sob.
She began to sob uncontrollably.
She began to sob uncontrollably.
Hug.
Hug.
Embrace.
Embrace.
They embraced each other warmly. Huddle.
Huddle. They huddled close together to form a circle.
Fondle.
Fondle.
She is fondling the beautiful baby in her belly.
She's fondling the beautiful baby in her belly.
Eat.
Eat.
Chew.
Chew.
He is chewing the gum delightfully. Savor.
Savor. She's savoring her favorite lollipop.
Devour.
Devour.
She is devouring the buttered corn before going to bed.
She's devouring the buttered corn before going to bed.
Drink.
Drink.
Sip.
Sip.
She took a sip of her coffee. Swig.
Swig. He took a swig of the beer.
Chug.
Chug.
They chugged the drinks at the party.
They chugged the drinks at the party.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Rest.
Rest.
She needs to rest after a long day. Doze.
Doze. He dozed off during the meeting.
Sob.
Sob.
He slumbered peacefully through the night.
He slumbered peacefully through the night.
Cook.
Cook.
Bake.
Bake.
Their favorite cake has been baked. Fry.
Fry. She fried some eggs for breakfast.
Boil.
Boil.
The boiled dish for dinner is ready.
The boiled dish for dinner is ready.
Talk.
Talk.
Discuss.
Discuss.
We need to discuss the project details. Argue.
Argue. They argued over the best solution.
Announce.
Announce.
She is announcing an important event to everyone.
She's announcing an important event to everyone.
Mind Map English.
Read.
Read.
Peruse.
Peruse.
He perused the document before signing. Skim.
Skim. She skimmed through the magazine.
Review.
Review.
He reviewed the report before the meeting.
He reviewed the report before the meeting.
Clap.
Clap.
Strike.
Strike.
She slapped him hard. Pat.
Pat. He patted his friend on the back.
Snap.
Snap.
She snapped her fingers to get attention.
She snapped her fingers to get attention.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Workout.
Workout.
He did a workout at the gym this morning. Aerobics.
Aerobics. She attends an aerobics class at the gym every Monday.
Warm up.
Warm up.
He warmed up before the match.
He warmed up before the match.
Walk.
Walk.
Stroll.
Stroll.
They strolled along the beach. Trek.
Trek. He's trekking through the mountains.
Limp.
Limp.
He limped after injuring his ankle.
He limped after injuring his ankle.
Run.
Run.
Sprint.
Sprint.
He sprinted to the finish line. Jog.
Jog. She jogs every morning.
Race.
Race.
They raced each other to the finish line.
They raced each other to the finish line.
Jump.
Jump.
Leap.
Leap.
A boy leapt over the steps. Hurdle.
Hurdle. The runner hurdled through the obstacles.
Vault.
Vault.
She vaulted over the bar with ease.
She vaulted over the bar with ease.
Push.
Push.
Press.
Press.
The machine is pressing the ball with immense force. Propel.
Propel. The boat was propelled by the wind.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
He is squeezing the lemon for his drink.
He's squeezing the lemon for his drink.
Shake.
Shake.
Shiver.
Shiver.
She shivered in the freezing weather. Vibrate.
Vibrate. The guitar strings vibrated intensely to the song.
Jiggle.
Jiggle.
The boy was jiggling his cup.
The boy was jiggling his cup.
Clean.
Clean.
Scrub.
Scrub.
She scrubbed the dishes until they were sparkling clean. Wipe.
Wipe. He's wiping the TV with a cloth.
Wash.
Wash.
She is washing her hands thoroughly.
She's washing her hands thoroughly.